Hello and welcome everyone. Hope you are all doing fine. আগৰ ভিডিওটোত আমি ইন্ডিয়ান পলিটিৰ ফাৰ্স্ট চেপ্টাৰটো শেষ কৰিছিলো আৰু সেই চেপ্টাৰটোৰ ওপৰত বেস্ড কৰি এটা মক টেষ্টৰ আমি এৰেঞ্জ কৰিছো। আমি চাইলো টেষ্টটো কেনেকুৱা হ'ব। গতিকে টেষ্টটোত 20টা কোৱেশ্চন থাকিব আৰু প্ৰত্যেকটা কোৱেশ্চনৰ কাৰণে 2 মাৰ্ক কে থাকিব আৰু প্ৰত্যেকটো ফুল উত্তৰৰ বাবে পেনাল্টি থাকিব 0.5 মাৰ্ক আৰু আমাৰ গোটেই কোৱেশ্চন বিলাক বেস্ড হ'ব প্ৰিভিয়াস ভিডিও কেইটাৰ ওপৰত। গতিকে যিসকলে ভিডিও কেইটা চোৱা নাই চাই পেলাই এই মক টেষ্টটো এটেম্প কৰাৰ কাৰণে অনুৰোধ জনোৱা হ'ল। আৰু আপোনালোকৰ স্কোৰ কিমান হয় আমাৰ কমেন্ট সেকশনত জনাব যাতে আমি আপোনালোকৰ এক্টিভ পাৰ্টিসিপেশনটো গম পাও। So let's proceed. Best of luck. So the first question is, when did Battle of Buxar take place? Options are 1664, 1764, 1765 and 1865. So the correct answer is 1764. Next, who was the first Governor General of Bengal? Robert Clive, Lord Warren Hastings, Lord William Bentinck, Lord Canning. So we all know the first is Lord Warren Hastings. Next, when was Supreme Court at Delhi established? 1774, 1773, 1950, 1947. So the correct answer is 1950. Supreme Court at Calcutta was established in 1774 under the Regulating Act of 1773. Hope you all remember. Next, who was the first Governor General of India? Robert Clive, Lord Dalhousie, Lord William Bentinck, Lord Canning. So the correct answer is Lord William Bentinck. Next, when was Macaulay Committee on Indian Civil Service appointed? 1754, 1854, 1773, 1857. So the correct answer is 1854. Macaulay Committee on Indian Civil Service was appointed in 1854 under Indian Charter Act of 1853. When did Sepoy Mutiny start? 1754, 1854, 1773, 1857. So the correct answer is 1857. After which the total control of India went under British Crown. Next, who was the first Viceroy of India? Robert Clive, Lord Dalhousie, Lord Mountbatten, Lord Canning. So the correct answer is Lord Canning. Next, when was portfolio system introduced? 1857, 1859, 1947, 1861. So the correct answer is 1859. The portfolio system was introduced in 1859 by Lord Canning, but it came into force in 1861. Next, which act is known as Morley-Minto Reforms? Act of 1909, Act of 1919, Act of 1935, Act of 1947. So the correct answer is Act of 1909. Next, who is known as father of communal electorate? Lord Minto, Lord Dalhousie, Lord Mountbatten, Lord Canning. So the correct answer is Lord Minto, because during his tenure the Muslim community got separate electorate. Next, which act is known as Montagu-Chelmsford Reform? Act of 1909, Act of 1919, Act of 1935, Act of 1947. So the correct answer is Act of 1919. Next, who was the first Indian to join the Viceroy's Executive Council? Raja of Benares, S.P. Sinha, Dinkar Rao, Sardar Patel. So the correct answer is S.P. Sinha or Satyendra Prasad Sinha. He was the first Indian to join the Viceroy's Executive Council. Next, by which act dyarchy was introduced in the provinces? Act of 1909, Act of 1919, Act of 1935, Act of 1947. So the correct answer is Act of 1919. Next, when was the Central Public Service Commission set up? 1916, 1936, 1926, 1920. So the correct answer is 1926 under the Montagu-Chelmsford Reform of 1919. Next, when did Pune Pact take place? 1916, 1920, 1942, 1932. So the correct answer is 1932. Next, when was provincial autonomy granted? 1936, 1935, 1919, 1947. So provincial autonomy was granted on 1935. Next, when was the Reserve Bank of India established? 1936, 1935, 1919, 1947. So the correct answer is 1935. Reserve Bank of India was established in 1935 on 1st of April. Next, when was the Federal Court set up? 1937, 1935, 1919, 1947. So the correct answer is 1937. Next, when did the Mountbatten Plan put forth? 1947, 1945, 1935, and 1942. So the correct answer is 1947. Next and the last one, who was the last Governor General of India? Lord Mountbatten, C. Rajagopalachari, J.B. Kripalani, and Sardar Patel. So the correct answer is C. Rajagopalachari. He was the last Governor General as well as he was the first Indian Governor General of India. At this, we came to the end of this video. Hope you like it. যদি আপোনালোকে ভিডিওটো ভাল পাইছে লাইক কৰিব আৰু শেয়াৰ কৰিব যাতে বেলেগে ভিডিওটোৰ সুবিধা লাভ কৰিব পাৰে আৰু সাবস্ক্ৰাইব কৰিব যাতে আমাৰ ভিডিওবিলাকৰ টাইমলি আপডেট আপোনালোকে পাই থাকে। থ্যাংক ইউ।